Hi, in this video we will understand the concept of calculating average period by taking out the difference between drawings made in the first 6 months of the accounting period versus drawings made only in the last 6 months of the accounting period. There is a difference between these two in terms of average period and therefore the calculation of interest on drawings. We'll begin with the first example. In the first example, we will be looking into drawings made in the first 6 months of the accounting period. Let's go to the example. Example: A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum for A, B and C for the year ended 31st March 2019 if A draws 6,000 regularly at the beginning of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018, B draws rupees 6,000 regularly at the middle of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018, and C draws rupees 6,000 regularly at the end of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018. In red color, I have given you the formulae for the interest on drawings and also the formulae for the average period. Now if we look into the sum, we can find out that the accounting year is from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019 for all the cases. I'll write the accounting year here on top. First April 2018 till 31st March 2019. Now in this accounting period, A, B and C have drawn only in the first 6 months of this accounting period. Let's see how we do the sum. Let's go to interest on drawings for A. The first withdrawal A draws 6,000 regularly at the beginning of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018. The first withdrawal is on 1st April 2018. The last withdrawal beginning of the month of September, which is 01/09/2018. The number of months from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019 is 12 months, and number of months from 1st September 2018 to 31st March 2019 is 7 months. Therefore, average period is equal to 12 plus 7 by 2, which is equal to 19 by 2 or 9.5 months. Applying the formulae to get the interest on drawings: amount per withdrawal rupees 6,000. Number of withdrawals, the withdrawal is only for the first 6 months of the year, So number of withdrawals is 6. rate by 100, 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 into the average period, which is 19, divided by 2. The answer for interest on drawings is 150 into 19, which is rupees 2850. So this is interest on drawings for A. Let's go on to the interest on drawings for B. Interest on drawings for B. First withdrawal. B draws 6,000 regularly at the middle of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018. First withdrawal 15th April 2018. Last withdrawal middle of September, which is 15th September 2018. Number of months from 15th April 2018 to 31st March 2019, 11.5. Number of months from 15th September 2018 to 31st March 2019, 6.5. Therefore, average period $11.5 plus 6.5 divided by 2, 18 by 2, which is 9 months. Now we'll apply the formula to get the amount of interest on drawings for B. Rupees 6,000 is the amount per withdrawal. Again, number of withdrawals is 6 into the rate by 100, 10 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12 into the average period, which is 9. Answer for interest on drawings, rupees 2,700. Let's go on to the interest on drawings for C. C draws 6,000 regularly at the end of every month for the 6 months ended 30th September 2018. First withdrawal 30th April 2018. Last withdrawal 30th September 2018. Number of months from 30th April 2018 till the end of the accounting period, 11 months, and from 13/9/2018 to 31st March 2019 is 6 months. Therefore, average period is equal to 11 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 17 by 2 or 8.5 months. Let's apply the formula to get the interest on drawings. Amount per withdrawal rupees 6,000. Number of withdrawals 6. Rate by 100 is 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 into the average period, which is 17 divided by 2. So the answer is 150 into 17, which is equal to rupees 2,550 rupees. So we've done an example where the drawings are made in the first 6 months of the accounting period. Now next, let's go to an example where drawings are made during the last 6 months of the accounting period. Example: X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits equally. Calculate interest on drawings at 10% per annum for X, Y and Z for the year ended 31st March 2019 if X draws rupees 6,000 regularly at the beginning of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2019. Y draws rupees 6,000 regularly at the middle of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2019, and Z draws regularly rupees 6,000 at the end of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2019. The formula is given for interest on drawings as well as average period. Now the difference between this sum and the sum which we did previously is that in the previous sum the amount was drawn regularly every month for the first 6 months of the year, whereas here it is for the last 6 months of the accounting period. Accounting period remains the same. Accounting year, first April 2018 till 31st March 2019. We'll begin with the interest on drawings for X. First withdrawal, 1st October 2018. Last withdrawal, 1st of March 2019. Number of months from 1st October 2018 up to the end of the accounting period, 6. Number of months here is 1. Therefore, average period is equal to 6 plus 1 divided by 2, or 7 by 2, which comes up to 3.5 months. Applying the formulae, rupees 6,000 is per withdrawal, number of withdrawals 6, rate by 100 is 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 into the average period, which is 7 divided by 2. The answer for interest on drawings is 150 into 7, which is equal to rupees 1050. So 1050 is the interest on drawings for X. Let's go to interest on drawings for Y. Y draws rupees 6000 regularly at the middle of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2019. First withdrawal 15th October 2018. Last withdrawal 15th of March 2019. The number of months up to 31st March 2019, 5.5 from first withdrawal, and from the last withdrawal to the end of the accounting period, half month. Therefore, average period is equal to 5.5 plus half month divided by 2, which is equal to 3 months. Let's apply the formulae. 6000 is per withdrawal, number of withdrawals 6, rate by 100 is 100, 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 into 3. Answer for interest on drawings 900 rupees. Let's go to the interest on drawings for Z. Z draws rupees 6000 regularly at the end of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2019. First withdrawal October 2018. Last withdrawal 31st March 2019. Average period 5 plus 0 by 2, which is 2.5 months. Let's apply the formulae. Amount per withdrawal now into number of withdrawals into 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 into 5 divided by 2. Answer for interest on drawings is 150 into 5, which is equal to 750 rupees interest on drawings. So we've done 2 sums to demonstrate the difference between drawings made in the first 6 months of the year and drawings made in the last 6 months of the accounting period.